Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Remy's Apprentice. Today we will be recreating the white chocolate cappuccino cheesecake from the Akershus Banquette Hall. After that, we're going to head over to the park and put in a quick 30-mile run. That way we can enjoy half a slice. Hey, apprentice. Wrong Tommy Bahama shirt. That a boy. Show off that overpriced Disney apparel. Now, a cappuccino calls for good espresso. I said espresso, not coffee. Good old AK Espresso from Black Rifle Coffee Company. The goal here is to have a thick cookie crust, so we want to start by grinding with a food processor or blender 28 Oreos down to a crumb, not a powder, adding 5 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/3 cup of sugar. Next, we want to lightly grease the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan before distributing cookie crumbs and compressing evenly with a rounded glass. When complete, add to the refrigerator for an hour and a half. Next, we're going to start by setting up our stand mixer, adding a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 2 eggs, mixing at a medium speed while adding 3 8-ounce blocks of room temperature cream cheese and 8 ounces of mascarpone cheese until smooth. Stop mixer and add a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Begin to mix. Once the mix has a smooth, thick form, add in 1 tablespoon of heavy cream, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, and last but certainly not least, the main ingredient, AK Espresso. Mix until smooth, then adding back to our springform pan. Remember, the one with the Oreos? Then place in a preheated 275-degree oven for 1 hour 25 minutes or until center has a very light jiggle and is set. Now our topping for this cake is going to be epic. First, add 1.5 cups of heavy cream to a stand mixer and begin to fluff. While that spins on medium-high, add 8 ounces of Ghirardelli white chocolate to a double boiler and begin to melt. Once melted down to a thick consistency, add 4 ounces of heavy cream and fold in. Let white chocolate cream mix come to room temperature, then fold into your cream once it reaches soft peaks. Now once cheesecake is complete, allow to rest for 1 hour before adding your top layer. After adding top layer, place back in the refrigerator for 4 hours, but preferably overnight. And there you have it, guys. This was an original recipe, and it turned out amazing, especially on that crust. Oh yeah, by the way, do not follow the recipe from allears.net on this one. You will have another zebra dome issue on your hands, and that's something you definitely don't want. My recipe is available below. Please like, leave me some feedback, and subscribe. Till next time, cheers.